Grace is in the same primary school with Abraham Edache. We are Central Wesley. Okay, Wesley Central Primary School. Okay, this is a female. We are presenting this one with another new school uniform too, so that he can look smarter like every other student here. Okay, you can look at these ones now. They are not looking smart, and they are looking like a better student that they should be. So we are urging every Nigerians, those who have, they are not saying gather millions or gather the whole world because you can render help to these little ones. If you want to have a better society tomorrow and make the whole world a better place for all of us, you can begin to address the issues of these ones. Look at them, visit other schools just like we are doing at the moment, and see how you can help one or two persons. It will not reduce you and it will not make you bigger otherwise. But please, let us begin to help the little ones so that we can have a better society for all of us. Thank you and God bless you.
Well, thank you, sir. Mr. Raf, I guess. Yes, I'm aware of that. Raf Abba Foundation, on behalf of Wesley Central Primary School State, I want to appreciate you for your kindness to these young ones. We have so many of them here, and thank God you came, you picked some of them. Today they are looking better than ever, and I'm very sure their parents will be very, very happy. My prayer is that the Lord will bless you.
Amen.
And my counsel to whosoever is watching this clip is that just be a part of what they are doing in Raf Foundation. God will definitely meet you at the point of your need. You can't give to the poor and remain the same. As you bless the poor, God will bless you back. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
and I want to say thank you to the team. Wonderful people. I enjoyed their company the day they came.
Yes.
Thank you so much. I don't have much to say, but I want to say God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. All right.